Hello everyone! Have you ever had a time where you needed to let your users know that your enterprise site will be down for maintenance? Well, in this GeoSnap, I'm going to show you how to effectively communicate downtime to your users. To start, you can create a website HTML file called app_offline.htm. This can be done in a coding application like Visual Studio Code, which I have done here. In mine, I have added a couple basic website elements, including basic HTML elements for any website, and paragraph elements telling the user that the site is offline for maintenance and to contact their administrator if they want any more information. Additionally, I also added a comment element to make sure my file is at a minimum size of 512 bytes, as this will not work if it is smaller. Let's see what that looks like. Now that I've made my offline file to my specifications, I need to again make sure it is saved as app_offline.htm. Now that this file is created, you can place the file wherever your root folder is for your portal's web adapter. Once your website file has been added to your root portal directory, you can now go to your enterprise site from a web browser, and the site will be replaced by the app offline indication that you created earlier. Finally, once the downtime or maintenance has finished, just go back to your root portal folder and delete or rename this file. Now your website is back online, and you have a file prepped for whenever you need to do maintenance again. Just go back into that web root folder, and you can rename it back to app_offline.htm. I hope this tip helps when you need to convey downtime to your users. Thanks for watching.